30 crazy ant facts you never knew. Unveiling the secret lives of ants. Ants are everywhere, from bustling kitchens to lush rainforests. But beneath their tiny exteriors lie fascinating secrets just waiting to be discovered. Buckle up, because we're diving into the crazy world of ants with 30 unbelievable facts. Strength and our survival. Super strength champs. Ants can carry up to 50 times their own body weight. Imagine carrying 2.5 African elephants. That's ant power. Silent messengers? Forget emails, ants use pheromones, chemical signals, to communicate food sources, danger, and even potential mates. It's a built-in GPS for the whole colony. Queen bee? Think queen ant. The queen ant, the colony's heart, can live for decades, laying millions of eggs, ensuring the colony's future. Diversity and specialization. The ultimate team players. Worker ants, all female and sterile, handle everything. Construction, cleaning, childcare, and food gathering. Teamwork makes the dream work. Colony work. Disposable dudes. Male ants have one job, mating with the queen. Then they die off, leaving the queens and worker females to carry on the legacy. Brain power beyond belief. Despite their size, some ants can navigate complex environments, solve problems, and even learn from past experiences. Researchers have seen them using tools. Imagine an ant-sized screwdriver. Food and ant farming. Fungal farmers. Leafcutter ants are the ultimate green thumbs. They cultivate fungus gardens in their nests, meticulously cutting and transporting leaves, up to 50 times their size, to feed their precious crop. Super sniffers. Bloodhound ants, true to their name, have an incredible sense of smell. They track down dead animals, even miles away, for the colony to harvest. Imagine smelling a pizza from a different city. Ants as farmers, Part 2. Harvester ants collect seeds and store them in underground granaries. They even process the seeds with a special fungus to prevent sprouting, ensuring a steady food supply. It's like having a built-in pantry. The Great Escape, Part 1. Army ants, nomadic warriors, travel in massive colonies, raiding other insect societies for food in a relentless display of coordinated chaos. Their size advantage doesn't matter. Teamwork reigns supreme. Defense and warfare. Slave raiders. Slave-making ants raid other ant colonies, stealing pupae, immature ants, who develop into worker ants and serve the slave-raiding colony. It's a ruthless but effective strategy. Ants versus termites? The rivalry between ants and termites is legendary. These two insect groups compete for resources and territory, and their battles can be fierce. Imagine millions of tiny soldiers clashing in an underground war. Swimming ants? You bet. Fire ants, known for their painful stings, can form living rafts to survive floods. By clinging to each other, they create a buoyant mass that can stay afloat for days. Talk about teamwork. Super soldiers. Soldier ants are the colony's warriors. They have larger heads and stronger mandibles, jaws compared to worker ants, making them ideal for defense and combat. Imagine an ant with a giant head and oversized mandibles. Hidden skills and ant surprises. The power of many. Ant colonies can be mind-bogglingly large. Some super colonies can house millions, even billions of individual ants. Imagine a city with a population that could fit in your backyard. Jurassic ants? Almost. The fossil record suggests ants have been around for at least 100 million years, making them one of the most successful and enduring insect groups on Earth. They've survived mass extinctions and thrived in diverse environments. Space travelers? Believe it. In 1968, ants became the first social insects to travel to space. A Soviet experiment sent a colony on a trip around the moon, studying how they adapted to microgravity. Who knows, maybe one day we'll see ant astronauts. The mimic game. Some ant species are masters of disguise. They mimic the appearance of other ant species, often more aggressive ones, to gain access to food or territory. It's like wearing a costume to get a free.